Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome breakfast which is really healthy and super easy to make. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to cut one zucchini in little squares. Then, cut some parsley, but also you can use green onions. In another bowl, add 2 eggs, a bit of salt and pepper. Then mix it with a fork. In a hot pan with some oil, add the zucchinis and start frying them up until they're a bit brown. And now you can add the parsley. After that, and finally, you can add the eggs and mix it very well. And when it's all cooked, you can plate it, and it looks so delicious you could not resist to taste it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching!